I think BioVision perpetuates a very unique format that was incepted 10 years ago, and it's a unique amongst the biotech industry meetings because it does involve society and the impact of biotechnology on society, and it does always present a view that thinks about the industry within the context of the world. I do think that it does shed a light on how to go about helping in a way that other science meetings or biotech meetings do not. I think BioVision is truly unique. It's the one time that you meet politicians, scientists, academics, and the public in the same place. And this is not something that happens when you go to an industry meeting for the biotech.